earth's walking, a blind man can see. A leper is cleansed, and a captive is set free. A woman is rejoicing, her son did not die. And all these things happen when Jesus passed by. When Jesus passed by. When Jesus passed by. Gone are all the heartaches, the trouble, the strife. Just reach out and touch Him. He'll hear your cry, and you'll know something happened when Jesus passed by. Now I was a beggar in the ranks of my sin, unworthy without, and I was needy within. But then a king became my Savior, and now His riches, they're mine.